We're going to continue our talk about work on our punching and also how to deflect and cut punches. Okay. It's extremely important, especially when you're talking about bridging and being able to take a line. If you're just sitting there firing punches and have no idea, oh my God, what am I doing? It gets out of hand. Because the bridge is going to happen very quickly, so you don't have time to just, let me think about, what's this, right? You got to go in. And also you want to have the ability to attack and defend at the same time. Let me use my. So, again, if he throws a punch, right, in real life, nobody's going to throw this punch, hang it out there, right? Just, let me see. You're not going to have all day to do that, right? So I need to understand that number one, the punch is going to go out, it's going to come back. So I have to understand how to intercept and cut and take a line. So if I'm here and he throws a punch, right, I need to be able to come in and cut a line here. Or he throws a punch again. So I'm attacking and defending at the same time. And it could be with either hand. Right? You got to have a basic understanding for that. You got to have that ability. Because if not, I could start doing this kind of stuff. And how much more powerful? Just come in. And that one action does two things. Right? Because I'm attacking and defending at the same time. So you need to understand the mechanics of that and the dynamics of that. Also, what I'm not doing is, if he throws her, I'm not punching way over. So, and I'm not sitting there and punching because he's really aiming for my face, right? If I do this, and also I have to understand that typically this type of a bladed stance, if I'm coming into my Chun punch, he's going to have a reach advantage, right? If he puts his, that's all day long. And I'm short anyway, so I typically have a reach advantage. Disadvantage against everybody. Says, maybe I think my arm's a little bit lower than his. So, what do I need to do? I have to be good at. I need to be able to attack and defend at the same time. Understand how to come in and not overreach and do something stupid and get myself punched, because the guy's, he's not going to just hang this out there, right, and let me go to work and touch this arm 2 or 3 times. It's not going to happen. So he's going to throw a jab, throw it out, and bring it back, right? So it's going to happen. So when he throws the punch, you bring it back. So throw it, bring it back.
And then whatever I figure out with this,
I better bring it back. Yeah, because the other one's coming. So if I just sit here and it's stupid, so I got to maybe. Here's the line I start feeding. See the line, control the line, put a lethal amount of energy down that line. So, let's just look at some of the basics of seeing some of that stuff. Now, one of the things you want to look at, foot placement. Okay? You see boxers do this a lot too. Boxers are great at taking angle. That's why I say anybody who underestimates somebody with some average boxing skill, you come to a quick realization when you I don't plan on taking a nap. Here it is a couple days later. I think I'm going to knock it clean out. So, if I'm on the inside, my foot is on the inside of his. When I punch, he's going to be able to cut, right? And it's not that I can't cut here. I just have to realize that I'm going to be on the inside, right? And typically, if I do this, I tend to pop. So I know I'm going to be on the outside. If my foot is equal, preferably a little bit on the outside when I throw that punch, I want to be able to cut to the outside. That's why you see boxers are constantly moving. They want to stay away from the power hand, but also they want to use angles. Same thing. It's kind of a universal thing. So when I'm up, and I'm moving around. Number one, I'm not going to just stand here and think that this is magic, right? be a magic sleeping pill if I stay here very long. So I want to be able to move, and I'm looking at angles. Right? And I know that if I'm here, I can do that. Now I'm in a position where I can start doing what I need to do. But we're going to do a basic drill just to get the feel for cutting punches, cutting the deflecting. So, you know, no pox out. So I'm going to have you do this course, pox out. Okay? So, and big fist. So the first note we're going to do is the punches. Just getting a feeling for cutting. Just get a feel for it, right? Cut. And I can also I'm working on being able to cut from the inside too. Switch. So you'll see I'm not reaching over, right? It's cutting. Cutting.
Actually, I got to go grab that now. Good multi-purpose.
Relax, right? Nobody's going to be hitting each other, but I want to get the sensation of that. And eventually, you start moving a little bit with this, right? Let me just. Just get the feeling for moving around. Steps on me. Step and cut. Right? I could be in a lead leg if I want. Doesn't matter. Right? You want to have that ability because see, sometimes we struggle with cutting and seeing that line. And it helps you, especially as you move around. I'm adjusting my facing, my footwork. So that's, I'm going to start doing a little bit more of that so that really guys can get a better grasp on how to do that. And again, it's one of our major things when we're bridging. And it could be a punch. I could do the same thing with a pop, right? So, you know, here's our basic pop style. But I'm not going to pop like this in application, right? You know, I'm going to come from the cut and take a line. And then my hand replacement and everything allows me